Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Breathedge game for free via the Steam launcher, and you can keep this game forever in your account. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open Steam, go to store, and inside the store search for Breathedge game and then click on Breathedge game. Scroll down and here you can see get Breathedge free to keep when you get it before 9th of August. So if you download this game before 9th of August, then you can keep this game forever in your account. So click on add to account and then click on click to install now. And here you can see Breathedge file size is 7.2 GB. So click on install button, go to library, and here you can see that Breathedge game is getting downloaded on my PC. So by following the same steps, you can also download and install Breathedge game for free, and you can download this game for free until 9th of August, and you can keep this game forever in your account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.